We leave a palm length, fold it. Turn one finger round, then turn two fingers round. Twist to fix. Put the short one underneath. Use the long one to pass through the hole in the middle to make a dog's ear. Repeat the same action again to make another ear. Use the long one to pass through the hole in the middle to make a dog's face. Repeat the same action again. The dog's head is done. Next, twist the dog's limbs. The rest of the twists go around the dog's body. The dog's body is done. Take the hair out of the dog's mouth. Press the hair to the position of the eyes and nose. The hair on the side of the dog's mouth should be pulled out. The hair on the dog's forehead should be pulled up. The black eyeballs should be in the middle. Cut the dog's tongue in half. Leave the small one. Stick it on the dog's mouth. Put on the clothes. Apply the blush. If there is hair blocking the eyes, we can also fix it. If not, the dog is done. You don't have to fix the hair. Finally, we put on the string and the base. Decorate the base. Finally, our dog is done.